In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio for coding in 2026. If you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Google AI Studio can help you work with Gemini for generating code, explaining programming concepts, debugging errors, and improving existing projects. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and create a new prompt. Before asking Gemini to write code, clearly describe what you want to build. Mention the programming language, the purpose of the project, and any important requirements. For example, if you want to create a simple website, tell Gemini which technologies you want to use and describe the sections and features you need. Once your prompt is ready, run it and review the generated code carefully. Don't simply copy the code and assume it will work. Read through the important sections and test the code in your development environment. You can also ask Gemini to explain how the code works. This is especially useful if you're learning programming and want to understand why each part of the code is necessary. If you encounter an error, copy the relevant error message and explain what happened. Ask Gemini to identify the likely cause and suggest a fix. When debugging, provide enough context for the AI to understand the problem. If possible, include the relevant part of your code rather than an unrelated section. You can also ask Gemini to improve existing code. For example, you can request better organization, improved readability, performance improvements, or additional functionality. For larger projects, work in smaller sections. Ask the AI to help with one feature at a time instead of generating an entire complex application in a single request. You can also use Google AI Studio to create tests, generate documentation, explain APIs, or convert code from one programming language to another. Always test AI-generated code yourself. AI can produce bugs, insecure patterns, outdated approaches, or code that doesn't match your specific environment. Never share